Hi, I'm Jen Artan with the Tesla Webinar team. In this Spotlight series, we'll showcase one EduTech tool and show how it can be used either for yourself professionally or with your learners. If you're like many other teachers I know, it can be difficult to organize all the many things that you need to do. This is a picture of my board in my classroom, and this is what Google Keep can potentially do to help organize your life. As with any Google tool, you need to have an active Google account in order to access it. To find Google Keep, well, just go to Google and type in the phrase Google Keep, and it would probably be the first search that you find. This is what one of my Google Keep boards looks like. I tend to use this board to keep copies of all the interesting graphics and websites that I find related to the field. Now, once you're signed in, you can also click on the 9-dot waffle at the top of your screen and look for the icon in this box, and then just click where it says Keep. Making a note or taking a note in Google Keep is quite simple. The board is pretty basic. You just click where it says Take a Note, enter your title, enter some details, and then it's just a matter of clicking where it says Done. You can also set reminders. And if you have reminders set up, it will send you an email notification of something that you want to be reminded of. So in this case, maybe it's a meeting, maybe it's an assignment, maybe it's something for the class. You just click on the reminder and it will send an email notification. You can also add collaborators to your Google Keep as long as the person has a Google account. You just type in their Gmail address right there. So I'm going to type in Anna Bartosik. And then she would have access to that shared note, just the one note that you've shared with her. You can also change the colors and add an image. So if there's a particular image that you think would make your note more, make it stand out a little bit better, add an image from your desktop. I'm going to click on the quizzes, and it just shows up right there, and it makes your Google Keep interface just a little bit more visually appealing. You can also click on the little 3-dot drop down for more menu options and choose to draw if there might be an image that you just want to draw. Have some fun with that. Eventually you'll have a lot of notes, so you might want to pin your most important notes to the top of your board. It's just a matter of clicking on the top of the note, the little thumbtack icon will show up, and just select it. This is just how you can change color. You can organize your notes by color coding it. You can also organize your notes by using something called labels. I'll show you that in just a moment. Edit label. The labels are off on the left-hand side, and you can easily create labels. Now, once you've got your labels created, you can go into your 3-dot, and it says Add Label, and just click on the appropriate label. Just one more way to organize yourself. There's a Google Keep Chrome extension that you can add to your toolbar. If you do that, whenever you come across an interesting website, all you need to do is click on the little light bulb and it will automatically create a Google Keep note for you with a little picture and the website address listed right there. It's quite useful. And there's where the note shows up. You can always change your view option to list. I prefer the bulletin board type view myself, but this is what the list option looks like. When you take notes, you can also choose to create lists. So it's just a matter of filling in your list. Remember to do X. And then once you've done each item on your list, you can just strike through it. And it can just keep easy track of what you've done and what you still need to do. To look at all the notes you have under one label, just go to the left-hand side of the screen and click the label. It will bring up all your notes that are in that theme or in that group in one place. When you're done with the note, you can just hit the archive button. Everyone's organizational needs and challenges are different. I like Google Keep because I can use it across all my devices, including my smartphone, and because I can collaborate and send reminders. So use Google Keep and let me know how it's going.